Thank you, Dr. Samoti, for that piece of advice, and the members of FERN and all the other partners. I think I can speak for them. Receive these suggestions wholeheartedly, especially as the members um, embrace food systems and then food systems approaches, and not just food environment. And as you noted, anyone who is interested or is attempting to address food systems issues automatically or naturally would have to address climate change and related. And so very useful suggestion. Thank you once again. I would also want to thank you for your continued support to this project. By project, I'm referring to the Meals for NCDs project. Those of you who may not have met Dr. Samoti, Samoti is the IDRC designated rep on the Meals for NCDs project. Which convenes FERN. You've been very supportive. We acknowledge you for that. I also want to thank the speakers of this last session, Professor Saadito, for your continued support, not just to FERN, but Meals for NCD's activities, including, for example, you were there when we organized the food systems dialogue. We are grateful. Dr. Habiba, the same. About a year ago, you were here. You were with us when we did the dialogues, and you are also here. And we receive your request and would take it seriously. Members of FERN would come to your aid within our capabilities. And so, colleagues, on behalf of the Meals for NCDs project, our esteemed advisory board, by that I'm referring to the board, Meals for NCDs advisory board, I would do these closing remarks on behalf of them, but also on behalf of the FERN2021 partners, which includes informers. Informers actually led the scientific or abstract driven session of this year's FERN. UNESCO chair in World Food Systems, Rapsal, drivers of Food Choice Program, Food Prizes for Nutrition, Chronic Disease Initiative for Africa, the Agric Nutrition and Health Academy, and the African Population and Health Research Center. All of these are partners of this year's FERN 2021. And on behalf of them, I extend to you these closing remarks. Those of you who were here last year, you recall it's about a year now when I quoted a popular Ghanaian saying, and I think I have to be quoting myself now. I did tell you that this saying goes like, there's no ever-ending feast, and that's good things come to an end. Once again, although we've been here for about 3 weeks, things have run really so quickly, and we are not happy, but we have to part company, at least for now. However, ours, as I've always said, is a happy ending. Indeed, you have made it a happy ending by contributing significantly to all the deliberations since November 3rd, November 10th, and today, November 17th. And so for making it a happy ending, I extend to you our most sincere gratitude. Many, if not all, would agree with me that the meeting has largely been successful. We have had 3 days of sharing, 3 days of learning, 3 days of also mentoring. To others, for example, our early career researchers, although I'm talking about 3 days, it's been several weeks of sleepless night. And so let me also extend sincere appreciation to our early career researchers for your very hard work. We refer to them as the FERN 2021 LOC, the local organizing committee. And of course, to our prime funder, IDRC Canada, for funding Meals for NCDs that convenes FERN, but also they funded the Informers e-Symposium series. And so we are grateful to you for your continued support. The UNESCO chair involved food systems and provided support for us to be able to have interpretation services throughout the conference. Again, we are also grateful to them. But of course, to our distinguished speakers over the last three weeks, our session moderators and our participants, all the way from Australia to Zimbabwe. We have had over 300 registrants from 50 countries who have made FERN 2021 possible. We are very grateful to you. We are also particularly grateful to Informal's model leader for food prices, Professor Salim Makey, Professor Will Masters of the Food Prices for Nutrition team for leading today's capacity building training on food prices, as well as Professor Rina Sot and your colleagues from South Africa for the training on nutrient profiling and front of pack labeling. FERN would continue to work closely, would synergize with all regional actors, as we have discussed during our open forum. The network is not going to be successful if we leave some stakeholders behind. And so we would continue to work with all regional actors, including RAFSAO. We are happy to announce that the Food SAMSA project from South Africa has announced their interest to contribute to FERN activities, and they are welcome. We'll continue to work with all, and we're looking forward to a series of activities that we've planned, and we've rolled them out soon. Thank you, and God bless you all.